Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 45. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 8. We've got 1, 7, and 8 here, so this is our 3. 1 and 8 here, so this is our 7. And I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. The only thing missing in this box is a 1, so that makes this our 3. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 2, 9. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 4 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.